In this video, I will show you how to gift a game on Steam. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, you first want to make sure you have added your friend on Steam in order to gift them a game. So if you come up to the top and hover over your username, from this menu, you want to come down and click onto Friends. And from here, you can go ahead, click the Add a Friend button, and then search for your friend and add them on Steam. And once you've done that, what you need to do is come up and click onto the Steam store, and then look for the game that you want to gift. Now in this example, I'm just going to use Mecha Chameleon. So I'm just going to click to be taken to the game page, and then what you want to do is come down and click the green Add to Cart button. Once that's done, you're going to get a pop-up window like this. And on this pop-up window, you want to come down to where it says For My Account, give that a click, and then you can see there's an option to say this is a gift. Click onto that option and then click the View My Cart button. And once you're on your Steam cart page, make sure it says this is a gift, and you're going to see the button that says Continue to Gift Options. So give that a click. It's going to ask you to select your gift recipient, so click this button here, and what you can then do is select your friend from your friends list. After doing this, click onto Continue to Payments, and then what you can do is just run through the normal steps to pay for the game. And once that's done, your friend should get an email saying basically they've been gifted a game, and they can then accept the gift request. And that is how to gift a game on Steam. So make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.